Do you have an Instagram block on your Squarespace website and you're wondering why none of your new posts to your Instagram account are showing up? Hey, I'm Bryan with Bound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. And today we're going to be talking about the Instagram block and why you may not be seeing your new post to your Instagram account on your Squarespace website. So, what's happened is that occasionally Instagram will update their API, which is just some code in the back end that allows Instagram to communicate with third party apps such as Squarespace. And they're doing this actually on December the 4th of 2024, which at the time of this recording is actually tomorrow. And so I'm sure there'll be several people that will be finding their Instagram blocks on their Squarespace website to be not updating. So, what do you do about this? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to take you over to my website and show you the Instagram block on my website, and it's actually disconnected as well. Okay, so we're here on my website for Abound Web Design because I have an Instagram block at the bottom of my homepage. And we're going to go in and check it out. I don't believe it has stopped for me, but the actual connection shows to be bad on my end, though. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. So to get there, to be able to fix this to your connected accounts, you're going to go into settings, so the settings wheel there. Then you're going to go to third party tools and then connected accounts. And if Squarespace has changed this around, or you just don't remember how to get there, or whatever the case may be, you can always use the shortcut of the forward slash. So same key on your keyboard is where the question mark's at. But this will pull up a search, and then you can search connected. If I can type connected accounts, and you'll see here I've got Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Search Console connected to my Squarespace account, to my website. And you'll see here that the account's disconnected for Abound Web Design for my Instagram account. So all I'm going to do here is click this Re-authenticate. And then, okay, so I paused the video there just in case my login credentials came up. You saw there that it had the instructions for me to allow Instagram to for it to connect to my account to. And so I just had to give her permission for that. And you see now that the pull is enabled. That should be all that you have to do to fix it. If you go back and you test this out, so like let's say we refresh the page here, and then we go back down here and we get to that block and we see that it's still showing old posts that you've made on your Instagram account. One thing you can do, the first thing you can do is check your Instagram account to make sure that there's nothing in the settings of your Instagram account that's blocking it from being able to communicate with another platform like Squarespace. But the other thing you can do is check your actual Instagram block and make sure. Let me move this over here to where you can see it. Make sure that it's connected to the right account, which for me it is. It is showing the right post for me too. So all is well here. But you want to make sure you connect, or I'm sorry, that you check those things before if that's still not working. The next thing you'd want to do is reach out to Squarespace support. But that should the things that I've shown you should solve 99% of the problems that you might have with Instagram not communicating with Squarespace and it stop updating your posts. So anyhow, I hope this helps. If it has, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace content like this. And if you'd like me to build your website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.